Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Friday, October 25th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas and Vedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Fun Friday.
Yo, Python's homecoming today. I have my suit, I have my tie, and I'm about to get girl.
Homecoming is only for high schoolers. You're in middle school.
For real?
Yes. Now here are your daily announcements.
One more day to Hoko.
Hi, I'm Miss Andrade. I'm the assistant principal of Somerset Preparatory Academy. And I'm so excited because I get to introduce Peppe the Python. It's our first official mascot, and he's going to be doing his grand appearance at the Pep Rally next week for homecoming. Be ready to see our first, loud and proud, Peppe the Python. Good Python!
Pythons, remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!